Hi there, you're on IGCSE Maths Tutors, and in today's video we're going to discuss the concept of proportionality. Now, what do we mean when we say that two variables are proportional? If you write this in mathematical terms, we say that A is proportional to B. Now, let's take a simple example. Let's say we have a father that has 3 kids. The youngest is 4 years old, the next sibling is 6 years old, and the eldest is 9 years old. He gives a monthly allowance of 40 pounds to the youngest, 60 pounds to the middle child, and 90 pounds to the eldest child. Now, do you notice a pattern here? The allowance increases as the age increases. In other words, we can also say that the allowance is directly proportional to the age. Furthermore, each child's allowance is 10 times his age, and therefore we can say that the allowance is equal to the age multiplied by 10, where 10 is a constant value in every case. And therefore, when we say that the age is directly proportional to the allowance, we mean that the allowance is equal to the age multiplied by a constant. In this case, that constant is 10. Now, returning back to the general rule, when we say that A is directly proportional to B, we mean that A is equal to B multiplied by a constant. Let's try and apply this to an IGCSE exam question, which says that A, R, and T are variables. A is proportional to T squared. A is also proportional to R cubed. T is equal to 47 when R is equal to 0.25. Find R when T is equal to 365. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Now let's try and put this in the form of equations. Now, if A is proportional to T squared, as we said, this means that A is equal to T squared multiplied by a constant. In this case, we'll call this constant C1. If A is also proportional to R cubed, this means that A is equal to R cubed multiplied by another constant, and we'll call this constant C2. Now, you can easily note that both of these equations are equal to A, and hence we can easily conclude that these two equations are equal to each other. Therefore, T squared multiplied by C1 is equal to R cubed multiplied by C2. If we rearrange this equation, we can easily conclude that R cubed over T squared is equal to C1 over C2. If we plug in the numbers that we have in the question and substitute 0.25 for R and 47 for T, we get 0.25 cubed divided by 47 squared equals to R cubed, which is unknown, divided by 365 squared, which is the other value for T. Now, if we cross multiply, which means that we multiply both ends of the cross whose values are known, namely 0.25 cubed and 365 squared, and divide this by 47, which is the pair in the cross whose other end is unknown. Therefore, we have R cubed equals to 0.25 cubed multiplied by 365 squared all over 47 squared. This equals to 0.9423. But remember, this is only R cubed. In order to get the value of R, we have to get the cubic root of this number, and this is equal to 0.9804. As we have to get the answer correct with 3 significant figures, we count 3 digits only, and we are left with 0.980, and this is the final answer. I hope you found this video helpful and that it has helped you understand the concept of proportionality. If you still have questions, please leave them in the comments section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and as usual, I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye for now.